What's good, everybody? Welcome on this live stream. Welcome on the Crypto Wizards channel. Thanks for joining me today. I decided that I'm gonna do some quick TA, just chill BTC chart. We're gonna chart what we have right now on a Bitcoin. What are the key levels that I'm paying attention to? Obviously, it's Friday, so I'm not really expecting like a huge volatility today, but we're gonna be talking about this, and if we will have enough time, we can have a look on a gold chart. So before we're gonna start, please let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can see my screen, and then we can jump right into it. So either in the Discord or here in a live channel, I'm just gonna turn on the music like this. That's enough, and I'm gonna play some lo-fi beats from Spotify. You won't hear this, but you will hear the music from the Streamlabs. Okay, cool. What's up? So I believe that it's working. Okay, so we're gonna start with the daily open. We're gonna check what we got today. We got a value area setup, which I'm gonna talk a little bit about this. But this is the daily open. More of an open test drive, to be honest. Today, we tried to go to the previous day value area low, but honestly, I wasn't charting yet. So we're gonna check what is the value area low on the EXO chart, since I would be paying a little bit more attention to the EXO than actually to the indicator that we use. Okay, so the previous day value area low on the EXO, 19,219. Okay, so give or take, that's the same. We are trying to reclaim the daily open now. We got rejected out of a VWAP, as you can see. Then we tried to reclaim that. So before even thinking about going short, I would wait for losing the VWAP and getting acceptance back below the previous day value area high. Once we get this, then we have a possible setup back down to the previous day value area low. So give or take, you would enter somewhere over here. Daily open would be stop loss, take profit down there, risk and reward 1.9. Not a financial advice, obviously. Keep that in mind. Not a financial advisor. Just to let you know. But this could be a possible setup, okay? Only once we get acceptance. And a few things you need to check before you're gonna take the position. The number one, daily TPO. I would actually go with a tick size to 20 instead of using 50. And you simply need to pay attention if you have volume developing inside that previous day value area. So very simply said, you want to see volume profile being developed inside this blue zone. If you are a Wizard member, then I would definitely use IBTPO on the desktop, IBTPO template. I'm not really using this one, to be honest. I'm not using website at all if I'm not streaming. So on IBTPO, you will get a little bit more precise data, and the template is just better. On the website, we have this. I have to export the one from the desktop to the website. I don't know why I didn't do it yet, but yes. Simply pay attention to getting acceptance below the VWAP, below the previous day value area high. Once we get this, you could be looking for a short back to the previous day value area low. Overall, what's happening on Bitcoin? If you're gonna zoom out a little bit, so we can go to 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that we are in a really nice range bound movement. So between 18,300, we can say, with a range high at around 20,100, that's the range that we have. Yesterday, no, actually, sorry, 3 days ago already. Yeah, that was on that quick rise and dump move, the bar pattern. We got a failed auction, basically trying to hit the 20,200, trying to reclaim it, not successful, back down to the value area low of the whole range. So this was a pretty nice failed auction, hitting the resistance level, not being able to reclaim it. This was a very simple trade, to be honest. Just a high probability one. We knew the things that we are waiting for. executing the trade, and it played out very, very nicely. But it's all about creating a plan before jumping in. We knew the levels where we will be wrong. We knew the levels where we want to take profit. We executed, and now we basically have the result. So yeah, we are still trying to reclaim the value area high, not successful. So what we're gonna do is, obviously when you see a lot, you see basically like one area being touched. So you see these highs. You basically have 1, 2, 3 now. So we're gonna check Wizard's flow template, because there is a possibility of getting some CVD divergence. So we're gonna check that. We kind of, no, not really yet. We have a small one here, as you can see. This will be better visible on like a 1 minute time frame. Yo, welcome on the stream, mate. We will go. I can hide the open interest, I don't care about it right now. We're just gonna zoom in to the CVD, and you see pretty nice divergence on 1 minute time frame. So I really want to check the difference between the previous high and this high on a divergence on a CVD line. So here we have 1.4 million. Here we got 3.3. So let's check this high. So let's say 2 million here. And here we have 5.7. So 3.7 million difference on such a small period of time. We are talking about this part. And this is quite big divergence. So what we can tell from this? Well, we'll go to 1 minute. I would definitely be looking for getting back to the VWAP, which we are right now, almost at the VWAP. So yeah, this zone is going to be support number 1. Simply VWAP these previous highs. From the market structure perspective, the VWAP will be support at the moment. Overall today, I would still expect a move to the downside. Why? Well, simply, once again, we are talking about that value area high, not able to reclaim that. There is no reason to feel extra bullish. It's still a range-bound movement, and we have that value area set up. So yeah, the plan is very, very simple, to be honest. Losing the VWAP, losing this green box with the volume. So if you don't know how to use TPO, you could possibly check this. So simply looking for, once we're gonna get acceptance below the VWAP, you are simply looking for color fading on a volume. You don't even have to pay attention to the exact numbers, and that's what I'm saying all the time. But why I love order flow so much, you don't have to pay attention to the exact numbers, because it's really tricky. It's really hard to tell this and this amount of volume is considered as a big, because obviously it's dynamically changing, right, every single day. So I think not a lot of people on the internet actually, or on YouTube, talks about this, but pay attention to the numbers. Pay attention to the colors first before paying attention to numbers, because the color can give you like a good visual idea of what is happening here. And that's what I use on a daily basis. So yeah, pay attention to the volume increase once losing the daily POC, once losing the VWAP, getting acceptance below the previous day value area high. And yeah, this is the really key level right now. So clear chart today. It's not a financial advice, again, okay? Not a financial advice, or do whatever you want. "15-minute bullish divergence from 28th of September. Let's check. Yeah, you mean this. Let's pay attention to how big it is. Okay, -8. Yeah, it's quite big one, but it played out already. That's the thing. You know, we gotta move from 18,900 already to the upside, so this one is not valid anymore, or like it is, but you got the result already, so I wouldn't pay like too much attention to it anymore. Right now it's bearish divergence though on 5 minutes. Yeah, I was talking about this. We have a bearish locally, which I would actually pay more attention to, even though it's smaller, it's more recent, you know. So yeah, without argument, we got a really nice CVD 15-minute divergence, bullish one, approximately, I don't know how many, 25 million trapped, maybe 30. Don't remember the exact number, but doesn't really matter. Well, you know, we have that 5-minute local 5-minute divergence, bearish one, more valid for me. Let's check the sessions. We tapped the naked POC from Asia. We got a bounce from it. Yeah, makes sense. We got a lot of trapped charts down there. You see the delta profile. I can lower the tick size a bit. Yeah, right here. 3.1 million exactly on the naked POC. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is exactly the thing that you are looking for. You want to see trapped traders on the naked POC. Boom. 3.1 million negative. Price went above. They are trapped. Revisiting the level. They are getting out. Price moving out of it. Simple explanation. And you see the result. It works well. So yeah, if you want to be scalping this, you have all the tools you need. You see that the levels are being respected. We have a naked POC from the US session, but pay attention to this. It's tapped already. Right here, I view this as a tapped. Okay, there's a difference like $10, you know. So you need to. The thing you need to do is not just like, okay, I see the line, I'm gonna long it. Check the context of it. If you're gonna zoom in to the line, you see that, okay, here it shows as a naked, but it's tapped almost right here. You see that? I hope so. I wouldn't pay too much attention to it. Not at all. By the way, yesterday we got a pretty nice move out of that key level that we are sharing in the Wizards. That was pretty amazing. I wasn't longing that one, but it got pretty nice reaction, maybe even bigger than I was expecting, to be honest. But I would be taking profits a little bit earlier, so I wouldn't be taking it all the way. We can have a look at it setup, to be honest. It was really nice, but not really common that you will get such a big reaction out of such a naked POC. But yeah, this was the thing that I was posting yesterday. 18,900 was the key level. Right here. So at the time when I was posting this, we were at 19,300, so up there. Simply VP, session naked POC. Really nice bounce out of it. And back to the value area high. I would be taking profits on a VWAP. I don't know if the whole trade, but at least like 50, 60% on a VWAP. The VWAP was just locally a big resistance. And it got some retracement. Not like huge at all. Like $160, but eventually it got reclaimed. Back to the value area high. But we keep talking about the same thing. Simply level to level trading. I was talking about this yesterday's update. So yeah. But lately we are absolutely killing it in Wizards. I think we haven't lost trade this week, which is, you know, we are day trading, so it's a good result. But every time after losing streak, you will get some losing position. So, you know, don't get... This is maybe for Wizard members that are actually taking these trades. Don't get into the stage of euphoria. Just stick to the risk management, stick to your position sizing, and maybe even go like I wouldn't say like go lower or lower it, but do not go like more aggressive, because it's no sense. You will lose the trade eventually, or you will lose some trade eventually. So yeah, just stick to the standard risk and reward. Stick to the standard position sizing, standard risk management. That's all you need to do right now. Just curious, what's the most expensive thing you have bought till now from your own money? How is this related to trading, mate? I mean, you know, why you need to know this, or what it will change in your trading experience. Okay, guys, so the BTC plan is clear. We know the levels. If we will be reclaiming that value area high, this 19,700 area, then look for back to the 20,200. But I think we can have a look on at a gold chart. I haven't been trading gold in last 3 months. Basically, the last prediction that I made was this resistance level at 1807. Check and have a look to the Discord. Right here. th of August. Okay, so let's check the levels that we have below us. It's pretty messy here. Pretty messy in the object tree on gold. But yeah, not really paying attention to the gold chart at the moment. So simply when I'm gonna be trading this, it will be more organized, but I wanna keep my chart as clean as possible. But this is not a good example here. Oh 05. Do you guys remember what I said in the learning section about Fibonacci retracement on a gold? I don't know if it's in a presentation, but I'm pretty sure I said that in a video. Basically, what I'm trying to show you is that I said that the 0.5 on a gold is being respected more than a 618 and a 6.6 on a BTC. On the other hand, I would pay more attention to the 618 and a 6.6. But clearly said on a gold, 0.5 is a stronger one. And we hit the level exactly to the dollar. No, sorry, we missed that by $2. Oh my god, yeah, this is so good. And you got a weekly confluence. Yeah. $16, $17. So, but now I'm starting to be confused because I believe that someone mentioned the 16, 17 level in a Discord, but I don't know who was it. I think it wasn't me. Yeah, Dark Magic Chris predicting gold will go down to 16s. Which this was 16th of September. I'm pretty sure someone mentioned this level, but I don't remember who was it. Yeah, cool. Okay, so gold right now getting bounced from the weekly from the 05 global Fibonacci pool. Let's have a look. What is gonna be first resistance? I think it's pretty clear. $16.75 daily level. This is not everything. We need to find more levels lining up together. So okay, 382 is higher. Back 05. Okay, 1675. It's gonna be next resist. With the previous range of value area high. Cool. Let me post this to Wizards. This is not a swing trade, not at all. Will be only short scalp for me, more of a day trade / scalp than actually like going swing. Okay, so I'm just gonna send a message through the Wizards chat. Okay, so guys, we can do some Q&A because we checked BDC, we checked gold, so you can write down some questions to the live chat, and I will answer you. By the way, if you want to get access to the Discord and you want to get access to the learning section that we have on our website, visit the link, build the video, upgrade, and join Wizards. I think that before buying the 6 months plan, give it a try for 1 month, so you will know actually what you are buying. But if you already know that, okay, this is the place where I want to learn, go for Wizards Plus. But yeah, probably before going fully in, all in, try 1 month. That would be my suggestion, but obviously do whatever you want. Or if you don't want to pay, or you just don't know if this is for you, go for a spectator plan, absolutely free. Courses page spectator section, you currently have 14 lessons in here. So check this out. A lot to learn even from the free section here. Okay, I'm checking. Either you are not asking any questions or there is a big delay in the chat. Okay, so now we are getting some questions. How to tell if CVD divergence is leading or real? Okay, so how you can tell this? Well, you can divide the CVD divergence into two types. And that's basically unconfirmed one and confirmed one. What is a confirmed one? Is when you actually see that the price is already starting to go to the opposite direction that you are looking for. So I guess that's what you mean by the real one. I know that they are talking about leading divergence and a real divergence on RSI. I've never really heard about this on CVD, to be honest, but yes, you can. I guess that's what I know what you mean. Probably, if the divergence, the real one, you mean that the confirmed one. So you actually see that okay, the price actually getting some reaction already. The unconfirmed one is that you see the divergence, but the price is not doing anything yet. So hopefully this helped you. You can expand a little bit more in live chat if you want to. I will answer you without any problem, but I don't really know if I get a question correctly. Hi mate. Concerning higher time frame trades, do you take into consideration any macro event anyhow? Kind of, yeah. But still, like 85%, I'm paying attention to the actual TA and price action, and then yes, you can like pay attention to some macro things and so on. So like these Fed meetings, what they're gonna release and so on, it will have some effect on a chart, obviously. Basically, let me tell you like this: you can predict the movement from the macroeconomic perspective, but the final decision still I would pay more attention to the TA, because the TA is going to give me the precise level where price is likely to get that reversal. So you can guess the movement by paying attention to fundamentals and the macroeconomic, but still like the final decision I'm going to make it by paying attention to the TA and the price action. And that's kind of the thing that I did with my shorts from 22,700. I have a bearish bias. I have a bearish feeling from the fundamental perspective, but still that final decision was made by looking at the resistance level, getting in at the resistance, and simply trying to take the trade lower now, even though like all of my take profits from the TA perspective were hit already. We don't have any like from the fundamental perspective, we don't have any bullish news that would be telling me, okay, now it's likely we're gonna get a reversal and we will continue to the upside. You keep getting that bearish news released, there is no reason to feel bullish at all. Okay, my mic is back. It turned off. It should be okay now. Yeah, so this is my answer. With CVD divergence, is there a time frame that has left relevance, e.g. lower time frames preferred? Thanks. Good question. Yes, I wouldn't pay attention. It all depends. It's not really all about the time frame, but like the period that you are paying attention to. So like, let's say that you see, like in general, I would say do not pay attention to the 4-hour CVD divergences and higher. But if you see like the divergence created on a 4-hour time frame over period of like, let's say 24 hours to 48, it's still going to be relevant. But when you see like the divergence created on 4-hour time frame, or you are checking 4-hour and you see divergence created on like a weekly or like a weekly period of time, so 7 days, then it's not like relevant to me at all. It's like so context dependent, to be honest, so it's like hard to answer to this one. But if you see like a really huge divergence, and I mean like there's a difference of like 300 million and plus, okay, then yes, it's gonna be relevant. But when you see like small one, so we are talking like 300 and less, I would say, I wouldn't pay like too much attention to it, and I would rather use like other things. It can be like small confluence for you, yes, absolutely, but I would still like pay more attention to the Fibonacci horizontalist volume tools such as like naked POCs, value areas, and so on. It's gonna be more important than actually like CVD divergence. Thanks for the answer so far. I was wondering if you can tell if a CVD divergence is going to play out, or if it turns out to be leading. Well, you can really tell, okay, this one is going to play out. You know, it's all about probabilities, and if someone's going to tell you like, okay, this one is going to play out 100%, it's shit. It doesn't work like this. But you can tell, by implementing more things, you can tell, okay, this one is actually like high probability one, and even like before it's confirmed. So you don't actually see that the price is rejecting yet, but you can already tell, okay, this one has more probabilities that it's going to play out. How you can tell this? I'm not going to be sharing this on YouTube, to be honest, since that's the point of the learning section that we have on the website. So if you want to learn more about this, visit the website and join for Wizards, or join the Wizards. But yeah, I was covering this in like a 40 minutes long video, so I can't really explain this in 2 minutes on a stream, you know. Okay, fully understood, and I'm glad to have some approach as you have. TA targeting PA direction. Yeah. That's what I do. But I would say like this is what 99% of profitable traders do. Like yeah. That are using the TA. Hey, any chance you can upload your web exo templates on a website? There are desktop only now. Yes, I can, totally. The only thing is that why I did this was simply I want you guys to use ExoCharts desktop version, since it's like more reliable and so on. But yeah, we're gonna upload this on a website. It's gonna take some time, so before it's gonna be uploaded, Eugene, I don't know what your Discord name is, but simply send me a DM and I will send you all the templates from the website version. Getting a desktop this weekend finally. Do you mean desktop PC or desktop version of Exo? Thanks, man. Desktop doesn't have Binance yet, which I currently use for trading. Oh yeah, makes sense. Okay, yeah, sure, no problem. I will send you the website once. No worries with that. And yeah, we will upload it to the website. That's a good point. Even though I would suggest you to use the desktop. This is a valid point. A PC. Okay, cool. Which one you bought? I have a Mac, and I've always worked on Mac. I don't really want to switch to the desktop, even though I know it's gonna be better for me, for like streaming and so on. I'm just like so used to the Mac and like all the ecosystem. I have Apple Watch, I have iPhone, I have basically everything from Apple, so it's like everything is so like connected together. Like even in a car you have a CarPlay and so on. So yeah, it's just I would actually like, you know, probably PC is better for streaming and like doing the YouTube and so on. I just don't want to get rid of the Mac. Guys, I just need to refill my bottle of water. So yeah, I'll be back in 2 minutes. You can prepare some questions for me, send it to the chat, and I'll answer once I get back. Do you think you can make out living by trading in the long run? Yes. I'm basically living from trading for last 3 years. So yeah, you definitely can. And that's what I do. But trading is not my only business. So I view trading as a business, to be honest. Yeah, I you know, I carry it as a business. I think about it like a business, but it's not my only business. Then yeah, I have a crypto wizards too, so that's my other business. But I have also another one, which I started by using money that I made from trading, but not really important. The thing is with trading, it is such a like, even though I could be living only from trading and I could be living like really well from only trading, you will get bored really soon, and it's like such a lonely business. What I love so much about my other business and this one is that I'm like meeting new people, you know, like getting in touch with others, like networking and so on. Trading is literally only you and a screen, and it's not like, I don't want to say it's not enjoyable. It definitely is. Like the feeling of, you know, charting and predicting price movement and so on is such a good feeling, but you will get used to this after some time, and it's not gonna be like appealing at all for you anymore if you still like keep doing the same thing. And I don't want to say like trading won't be appealing for you. It will be, but like the money that you are making and the progress and so on, you will get to the point where you are good already, and there is not like a lot to change. So you will just keep doing the same thing, and it's not going to be like that much appealing as it was like first year for you, for example. So you need to, or that's what I feel, you need to start something else. You're still going to be trading, but it's good to have like some other things that will be more of a fun for you. Because like you can't, from my experience, you can't do only trading alone. Or I would go crazy if I would be doing this. I need to be in touch with other people. I need to be networking. I need to have some challenges in my life, you know. But that's my experience, so. Hopefully it makes sense. Hopefully you get a point. But every single day trader, from my experience and from the ones that I know, is going to tell you the same thing. Trading is extremely lonely job or business or whatever you want to call this. We have daily naked POC above 20,200 ish. Let's check. Oh yeah, we do. Not a confluence. Makes sense, mate, but you are free. Yeah, but personally, I don't want to be like completely free in my 20s. You know, it's not. Yes, you can do whatever you want. You can travel a lot. You can enjoy life and so on. But it's not fun if you are alone. So yeah, you need to find someone who's gonna be traveling with you. So like either GF or friend or something like this. But someone like this, but you will also get used to this. So you always need to find something that's gonna like keep pushing you and motivating you and be challenging for you. And if you will get to the point where you already make the money you wanted to, you already have like some amount on your bank account or in your investment portfolio, you are free from the monetary perspective, you will realize that, okay, I achieved what I wanted to, but I like still feel the same in the end. Like, I think that everyone is gonna tell you this, but, and don't get me wrong, it's definitely better than being poor. You know, it's better. Crying in Lambo is better than crying in, I don't know, whatever car, Dacia. But in the end, it's still like the same. You know, like it's not only about money. You still need to find something that's gonna be making you happy, and the money will make you happy, but not only. Are you at already there? Yeah, because at the start of the stream, I was saying that once we're gonna reclaim the 19,724 value area high, I would be looking for 20,200 daily back again with a liquidity pool above the previous highs, and we have the naked POC, which is going to be adding another level of confluence, so another opportunity to make some grants on FTMO. Streaming gives you some engagement. I love it, actually. I'm going to be doing more of these. The thing is still, we have a lot of work with the new platform, and we were working on this every single day from morning to the evening. The whole learning section, it took me a lot of like crazy amount of time to create this. So I was kind of exhausted, and you know, when I don't want to, when I don't feel like streaming, I'm just not streaming. So yeah. And right now I'm still working on the new studio, so maybe next week I'm gonna be streaming from the new studio with a camera, so with my face already, so there will be a face reveal. So if I remember, I said a year ago, when we will hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna reveal my face. Which we did recently, so yeah, I have to. What about Elliott wave count? We did some EV on a Sunday in FTA, but I'm not paying like too much attention to it, honestly. And today we have a potential value area setup. Yes, we do. I was talking about this already. You need to rewatch the stream, but yes, we have the value area setup. Bearish one with a target approximately of 19,200, I believe. Just got notification from the bank that I received trading profits. It's nice to see the numbers on the screen, but do I feel happy right now? You know, it's normal for me too. And this is not about bragging. The point that I'm trying to tell you right now is that money only won't make you happy. And if, then only for like some certain period of time. But yeah. I'm late to the party. Yes, you are. Oh, I'm here already for 50 minutes. Time flies on the streams. You know what made me like really happy recently? Silver passing the FTMO and being a profitable trader and getting that first payout. Because literally, like, I changed someone's lives, and not obviously this is not only because of me. He put it in a lot of time and a lot of effort, but it was with my help. And like this feeling that you actually change someone's life and his family and so on. Only this feels absolutely amazing for me. We will probably do some podcasts together with a silver. I'm watching this live from India, mate. Cool. Yeah, this is so good. Like I said, I've met already so many people all over the world. It's crazy. from Australia, Asia, US, literally from every single place in the world. This is fucking crazy. Are you more bearish higher time frame? Yes, I am. Yeah, totally. I mean, I have certain levels that once we're gonna reclaim them, then I'm gonna be bullish more. But right now, as we are speaking, I'm much more bearish. And I'm really looking for 10, 13 grand on a BDC. And the thing is, like, even from statistics, you see that like the retail traders, they are still not really selling and getting out of their positions, and like the hedge funds and banks and so on, they got out already. But the retail still feels like, okay, now it's gonna reverse. Now we're gonna actually make money. I bought the bottom. I don't think so. To be honest, I would still expect that we're gonna get a move to the downside, and you know, like, this is the thing, the retail traders, and like, they are just hoping, you know, it's all hopium. I'm gonna buy now and it's gonna go up, hopefully. Yeah, maybe. But it's just a game of probabilities. You actually need to have some evidence that, okay, now I have bigger chance that it will actually go to this and this direction. Do I have this from a bullish perspective? No, I don't. Australia, California. Yeah, this is the thing that I'm talking about. It's so amazing. Oh, California, that must be like 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m., I don't know. Crazy. 2 a.m., I guess. I'm checking it, George. Cool. You have kind of a same TA as I do. But yeah, nice 618 and a 66. This is a log chart, I guess. Yeah. But you have more of it here, actually. Where are you from? From Czechia. Good to see live streams for different time sessions. Yeah, the thing is that I'm usually streaming during the US opening time, simply because we have a lot of volatility in the market, and like there is a bigger possibility that you're gonna take some setup. But I get it that you guys are from all over the world, and maybe it doesn't really fit your time zone. Exactly, there is still a lot of belief that we all retail Joe's gonna make quick bucks. I mean, maybe you will, but you know, I'm not a financial advisor, like I said, and like I'm a retail trader too, but yeah, for me there is not really any reason to feel bullish right now. Not a true capitulation yet. Exactly. The only thing is that I'm waiting for some impulsive news to be released in 1 to 3 months, I think, till the end of the year, and that's gonna make that final decision that, okay, now we are going down. I'm actually planning to do like a 30 minutes long video only talking about fundamentals, because recently I started to dive into it a little bit, and it's fun. I like it. So yeah, I'm planning to do probably for everybody. Maybe only for wizards, I don't know. But it will be with my face from the studio already. So that's why it's not up yet. Housing market in US starts popping at rates. Yes, exactly. We are getting back to 2008. It's gonna be even worse in my opinion, but we'll see. And even like the situation in Europe, they need to start increasing interest rates. They will have to announce this in the next 2 or 3 months, I believe. And like the whole situation with gas and electricity and oil in Europe is gonna be much worse than everyone is expecting, in my opinion. But we'll see. We'll see. I just finished the mortgage on my new apartment. Good for you, mate. Yeah. I'm like so glad that I've never basically applied for any mortgage and so on, and I'm living in my own. So yeah. After 5 years of trading, yeah. For me, the thing is that when I was starting out, I was still living with my parents. I'm really young, so yeah. Basically, there wasn't any pressure on myself, and I moved to rent, and then I bought my own one. So I'm just like really chilled out, you know. I don't really care. But it's always good to be down to earth, to be honest. Even like when you make it to like the higher level than others, always the most important thing is to be down to earth and not feel like, okay, I'm something special. And only after this you can tell, okay, I actually won. Because if you make it, but then it's gonna change you rapidly, and you're gonna start thinking that, okay, I'm something more. Okay, maybe you made it from the monetary perspective, but you are just idiot, you know. So like, I think like that's actually like true win. When you like make it, but you're like still the same, and not like thinking, okay, I'm better than you. Like, yeah, maybe financially you are, but and I know a lot of rich people, but they still act like completely the same like they did. Obviously, yes, they are driving Bentleys and Rolls Royces and this, but they still act the same. On the other hand, I know a lot of rich people that change completely, and they are idiots now. Or I mean, a lot. Don't get me wrong. I don't have a group of millionaires, but around me. But I know a lot of rich people in Czechia. Like huge business owners and so on. You long bullish? No, I'm not. What confirmations you look on order flow if you are looking for a long from any level? This is like so general question. It's so context dependent. Basically, like everything is, you know, like this is the thing. I can tell you this here on a live stream because real explanation needs like hours of content. So yeah, I can give you some answer in 1 minute, but it's not gonna give you anything. So I'm not gonna waste my and yours time. It's no sense. So if you want to learn about this, go to our website, link below. But it's not about luring you in and giving me $100, but we have currently like 13 videos only in ExoCharts, which is like, I don't know, 8 hours of content. Okay, guys, I'm here for 1 hour already. I'm gonna finish this stream. So you have last 2 minutes to put in some questions. I'm gonna answer them, and then we're gonna finish the stream. So I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes because there is a small delay between you and me. I don't know if I can change this somewhere. I don't think so. I think it's just a delay that YouTube puts in. But if you have any tip, trick how I can change this, I would really appreciate it. But I don't think that there's an option. Okay, looks like no questions anymore. So, thanks all for joining me today. Really appreciate it. If you are interested in some TA, then just replay the stream. I showed the TA. If you want to learn, if you want to be the part of the Wizards team, you want to be updated on a daily basis, and you want to get into the trades with us, but most importantly, you want to learn this by yourself. Our website, pricing, either Wizard Plus, or Spectator. If you don't want to pay, sign up for a Spectator. It's absolutely free. You can do one-on-one session with me if you want to. You can book it here. This is everything for today's live stream. Once again, thanks for joining me. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give the video a like. Join our free Discord. And see you in the next one. And by the way, thanks for all the questions you asked today. It was great. I enjoyed it. I will do more of these. It was really nice. Okay, thank you all.